A simple pendulum consisting of a 1.0 meter string and a 0.20 kilogram bob is pulled to the side so that the string makes an angle of 20 degrees with the vertical. If the gravitational potential energy of the Bob Earth system is zero at the lowest point of the pendulum's arc, the angle at which the gravitational potential energy of the Bob Earth system is equal to the kinetic energy of the Bob is most nearly. In order to analyze this situation completely, we must remember that there are at least two variables to be considered with respect to the position of the bob. One of them is the height of the bob. The other is the angle of the string with the vertical. In the diagram, the side adjacent to the angle for the indicated right triangle is equal to L times cosine of the angle. Therefore, the height is equal to the difference between the length of the string and the adjacent side, or L times 1 minus cosine of the angle. At the beginning of the motion, this height is equal to 6.03 centimeters. Since the gravitational potential energy is directly proportional to the height at which half of the energy is potential is 3.015 centimeters. Given that height, we get the expression 1 minus cosine of the angle is 0.03015, which means the cosine of the angle is 0.9698. This corresponds to an angle of 14 degrees, which is option D.